The technician is now going to prepare the bottle to remove the bladder. We're going to remove the protective cap and attach the 6,000 PSI hose with the 6,000 PSI air chuck. Removing the valve cap. Now attaching the air chuck. And then he's going to introduce the special custom wrenches that we provide so that you can easily open and close the gas valve. And hand tighten the air chuck. Use the special tools. And now opening the gas valve counterclockwise, roughly 1.5 turns. At this point, he's going to open the bleed valve on the assembly.
That's good, that's good.
And depending how much gas is in the accumulator, make sure that it goes to 0. Remove the wrenches. Going to remove the air chuck. Now at this point we're ready to remove the bladder assembly with the top repairable adapter. Opening up the gas valve all the way, taking the adjustable spanner wrench on the outer lock nut, removing the outer lock nut and the spacer. Going to push the top repairable adapter into the top of the accumulator. Going to reach in and remove the seals and the anti-extrusion ring. So now we're going to reach in and remove slide the anti-extrusion ring, bend it in half, and remove it from the top repairable adapter. Making sure that it's not torn and it's intact. If there's a tear in it, you want to replace the anti-extrusion ring. Technician's now reaching in, grabbing the top repairable adapter, actually removing the gas valve. We're going to remove the gas valve to make sure we get all the air. It facilitates, when you remove the gas valve, it facilitates the air or trapped fluid that may be inside the bladder. Now we're just going to pull this out. Putting on the lock nut so we can get a grip on it. And removal of the bladder.
That's good, Mark. Get it out of the way.
And walk out, right?
Walk out.
That's it.